Hello, my friends on the internet. It's your friend Jack here, and today we are still trying to end doom scrolling. Maybe you're new here, and if you are, I want to tell you that we are going to end doom scrolling. Now, today is pretty fun because yesterday I fixed a bug that was causing me a lot of headaches. Basically, the Android version released, and the app at the start screen it was super buggy. It looked awful. Basically, you'd swipe and it would swipe you back and it would look like a mess. I would probably close the app myself right away and delete it because it looked bad. Anyways, that was stressful. We fixed that. Also, yesterday I got a lot of progress done implementing new features, and I really think that even though I can be overwhelmed with all these requests and things to do, that having a mission and doom scrolling has helped me a lot. And having healthy or helpful people along the way just encouraged me has also helped a lot. And I want to thank anyone watching these videos, anyone just around. Thank you for being here. Now, today I want to show you specifically something pretty cool, which is this. It is my app, and yes, I actually can show you now because I have a better computer, which is a Mac I recently got. My old one, it just wasn't cutting it, and I couldn't really build anything on iOS because it wasn't a Mac. Anyways, so recently I've made this look a lot better. Now, if you don't know how Curiosity Quench works, that's the app name that I'm making to destroy doom scrolling. Also, we have some other efforts like written content and other things. I'm writing a book. But how this works, how do we end doom scrolling? Well, you come here and you're going to be greeted first off by something like this screen. Also, yeah, I moved this snack bar so it's not in the way anymore. And to show you how it works, you can go through it. I got to make this onboarding way better. It's not really informational how you're going to make a transformative change using something like this. And the idea is that you're bored, so you scroll. But instead, you could come here, find something you're interested in, something you're actually curious about, and I have to make this better too, add categories or some way of filtering so you don't actually scroll forever on here. We're trying to end doom scrolling. But let's just say you have some interests, you add them to your list, and then you can do them. Now, you do them by generating a quench plan. And recently I added this thing where you can now choose yourself which one you want to do, because before basically you'd click this button and it would just generate a random plan based on your interests and you wouldn't have any say of which one, but now you can choose, which is really nice. And I think that is a big quality of life improvement because before people would have like 40 interests and they wouldn't really get the one they want to do. They'd have to remove all the other ones. So this is helpful, I think. And now, along with this, you have a quench plan. Now, quench plan means you're going to be able to do some stuff and you're going to have direction on how to do it. So if you're interested in baking, if you're really interested, you can come here and get a plan and you can start. Now, I know that this plan will not provide everything you need. The point is it puts you in the right direction, and the right direction is to do things in line with your curiosity. Once you do some of these things, you're going to realize that you can do them, and it's actually not hard. Yes, maybe scrolling is easier, but it's not as hard as you may have thought. It is actually much more enjoyable, it's much more fun, and fulfilling in the end to follow your curiosity, and it leads to much better places than scrolling on TikTok. Once you've done it, you can then quench it. You can even take a photo, and now you can write notes along with this. Basically, just say, hey, like this went well. And then when you look back on it, let's just type in something here. When you look back on it, after you quench it, because you're going to quench it, you can then view your past plans and you can just see, like, hey, like, I did this thing. This is how I thought of it. And writing to me is a very good exercise. It provides clarity. I do have some picture ones somewhere here, or maybe I don't have any loaded. Here's one. Yeah, you take a picture, you can look back, you can also re-add these plans to your list, you can favorite them, and the idea is that you're making progress and realizing your own capabilities. And this is what I've done recently. This is how the app is looking right now. Also, yeah, we fixed Android bug, so the swipey swipe at the start is not glitchy. And I think curiosity is the way to end doom scrolling. I know it seems weird. I know maybe this app seems silly, but I see people every day, and they come home from work or they come home from whatever. Let's say someone gets laid off, and they watch TV. Like that's cool. That's normal. I would do the same because you don't want to do anything. You're bored. You're used to going to work every day. But if you had direction and you realize that you could actually do something else like aquatic fitness and start taking action and learning, researching, you realize it's not that hard and it's way more enjoyable in the long run and in the short term to follow what you're curious about and not just mindlessly consume. That's just my standpoint. Maybe you think differently, but that's why I'm trying to end doom scrolling, because I know a lot of people have a lot of things to offer and a lot of things that they can create, which they don't because they never start. So this is the app to help them get started. Anyways, I'm going to improve this and make it a lot better as time goes on. There's a lot to do, and I'm just excited that I'm on this mission to end doom scrolling. I think it's really a good one. Also, you can join the Discord if you do download the app. It's available on iOS and Android, and that's where a lot of people have been getting help, and also a lot of people have been helping me make the app even better. So shout out to anyone in the Discord. Anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Buy my stuff down in the description, or just go download the app, curiosityquench.com, and I will see you guys. Yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I love you. Take care of yourself. Great, cool shit. Encourage other people, and get off of this app. Peace.